Did you ever wonder who first looked up at the night sky and saw more than just stars, but entire worlds waiting to be discovered? Today, we're journeying back in time to meet Galileo Galilei, a man whose vision transformed our understanding of the cosmos. Galileo, a figure of audacity and intellect, jolted the scientific community with his groundbreaking theories and discoveries. His life, fraught with both triumph and tribulation, is a captivating tale of human endeavor. Let's delve into the life of this extraordinary individual and understand why he is considered the father of modern science. Galileo was born in Pisa, Italy in 1564 into a world that was about to change dramatically. Born to Vincenzo Galilei, a well-known musician, and Giulia Ammannati, Galileo was the eldest of 7 children. Despite his father's wish for him to become a doctor, Galileo was captivated by the world of mathematics and physics. His early education was filled with the classics, but it was the works of Archimedes and Euclid that truly captured his imagination. He attended the University of Pisa with the intention of studying medicine, but the allure of mathematics was too strong. He left the university without a degree, but with a burning desire to understand the world around him. His family may have been of noble lineage, but they were not wealthy. This didn't deter Galileo. He was driven by curiosity, not material wealth. This early spark of rebelliousness and defiance of societal norms would shape his future. Galileo was a rebel, even at a young age, choosing to follow his passion for understanding how the world works. Armed with an inquisitive mind and a strong foundation in mathematics and physics, Galileo began his scientific journey. His first steps into the world of academia were taken at the University of Pisa, where he was appointed as a professor in 1589. Here, he was tasked with teaching the accepted Aristotelian physics of the time, a task that would soon prove to be a source of controversy. Galileo was not one to simply accept established theories without question. His curious mind continually sought to delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, and this led him to challenge the Aristotelian physics he was expected to teach. He began to question the Aristotelian doctrine of a static Earth at the center of the universe, and the idea that heavy objects fall faster than lighter ones. His doubts about these accepted truths led him to conduct a series of experiments, most famously the Leaning Tower of Pisa experiment. According to popular accounts, Galileo dropped 2 spheres of different masses from the tower to demonstrate that they would hit the ground at the same time, directly contradicting Aristotelian physics. But Galileo's rebellious nature and disregard for established norms did not sit well with everyone. His findings were met with resistance from those who were invested in maintaining the status quo. This tension between Galileo and the traditionalists would become a recurring theme in his career. Despite the controversy, Galileo was undeterred. He continued to question, to experiment, and to push the boundaries of understanding. His tenacity and courage in the face of opposition set the stage for his later groundbreaking discoveries and firmly established him as a pioneer in his field. Galileo's early career was marked by a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to challenge the accepted norms. His refusal to simply accept the established beliefs of his time was a testament to his passion for truth and discovery. Galileo was not afraid to question established beliefs, a trait that would both define his career and cause him significant trouble. Galileo's curiosity and innovative thinking led him to make some groundbreaking discoveries. His relentless pursuit of knowledge opened up a new dimension of understanding the world around us. Galileo's contributions to science are numerous, but let's focus on some of his most significant discoveries that revolutionized our perception of the universe. First and foremost, Galileo's work on the laws of motion laid the groundwork for the principles of classical physics. He debunked the Aristotelian belief that heavier objects fall faster than lighter ones. In a daring experiment from the top of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, Galileo demonstrated that all objects, regardless of their weight, fall at the same speed. This bold assertion challenged the established norms and paved the way for future scientific inquiry. Galileo's next major breakthrough came with his invention of the telescope. While he wasn't the first to invent it, he significantly improved upon the existing models, increasing the magnification power from a mere 3 times to 20 times. This invention was not simply a tool for observation, it was a gateway to the stars, a looking glass into the cosmos. With his improved telescope, Galileo made a series of astonishing observations. He discovered that the moon was not a smooth, perfect sphere, as it was widely believed to be, but a rough, crater-filled landscape. He observed the sun and noted the presence of sunspots, dispelling the myth of the sun's unblemished surface. Perhaps his most controversial discovery was his observation of the planets. Galileo discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, proving that not everything revolved around the Earth. This finding supported the Copernican model of a heliocentric universe, a theory that was considered heretical at the time. These discoveries opened up a new understanding of the universe and cemented Galileo's place in the annals of scientific history. His work served as a beacon of scientific inquiry, illuminating the path for future generations of scientists. And so, Galileo's legacy lives on, his discoveries continuing to inspire and shape our understanding of the universe. Galileo's revolutionary ideas, however, were not without their detractors. The most formidable of these was the Catholic Church, which at the time held sway over much of Europe's intellectual and political life. For centuries, the Church had upheld the geocentric model of the universe, a view that placed the Earth at the center of all celestial motion. Galileo's heliocentric theory, which posited the Sun at the universe's center, directly challenged this long-held belief. Galileo's clash with the Church reached a boiling point in 1633 during his infamous trial. Despite his attempts to argue that his theories did not contradict the scriptures but rather offered a different interpretation, the Catholic Church remained unmoved. The Inquisition found him vehemently suspect of heresy, and he was forced to recant his heliocentric views publicly. This, however, was not the end of his woes. Galileo's punishment was a life sentence of house arrest. He was confined to his villa in Arcetri, near Florence, where he was forbidden from publishing any of his works. But the walls of his home became the boundaries of a new universe, a universe of the mind where Galileo continued his scientific explorations. Despite his physical confinement, Galileo's intellectual pursuits knew no bounds. He spent his days observing, theorizing, and writing. His work during this period included discourses and mathematical demonstrations relating to 2 new sciences, a book that laid the foundation for the science of kinetics and strength of materials. In this book, he delved into the mathematical principles of natural phenomena, effectively creating the blueprint for modern physics. Galileo's house arrest, far from silencing him, served to amplify his voice and cement his place in the annals of scientific history. Even under house arrest, Galileo's thirst for knowledge remained unquenched. Galileo passed away in 1642, but his legacy lives on. His influence stretches far beyond his lifetime, shaping the course of scientific inquiry for centuries to come. Galileo's courage to challenge existing beliefs, his relentless pursuit of knowledge, and his groundbreaking discoveries have all left an indelible imprint on the world of science. Galileo's contributions to the scientific method, for instance, have been nothing short of transformative. By insisting on empirical evidence and measurable, repeatable experiments, he ushered in a new era of observation and experimentation. This approach laid the foundation for the scientific revolution and fundamentally altered how we pursue knowledge. But his influence didn't stop at methodologies. Galileo's revolutionary theories inspired future generations of scientists. His work sparked curiosity, ignited debates, and encouraged more people to question, explore, and seek out the truths of the universe. From the laws of motion to the astronomical wonders, his discoveries have become fundamental pillars of modern science. They've shaped our understanding of the world and have opened up avenues of research and exploration that continue to this day. His life, marked by both triumphs and trials, serves as a reminder of the courage it takes to challenge prevailing norms and the resilience required to stand by one's convictions. His story has inspired countless individuals to strive for scientific truth, even when faced with adversity. Galileo Galilei, a man ahead of his time, forever changed the way we understand the universe. His legacy is a testament to the power of curiosity, the importance of questioning, and the unyielding spirit of scientific exploration. So, why do we remember Galileo? We honor him as the man who dared to look at the stars and challenge our understanding of the universe. His life, a journey of intellectual curiosity and relentless pursuit of truth. His theories, a radical departure from accepted norms, setting the foundation for modern physics and astronomy. and his discoveries, a testament to his brilliance, forever altering our perception of our place in the cosmos. Galileo's story is a testament to the power of curiosity and the pursuit of truth regardless of the obstacles in the way.